What's up, everybody, and welcome to day 38 on the path to $30,000 a month or $1,000 a day. This is Nick, the entrepreneur. I've been running multiple businesses for the past three and a half years, and now I want to show you how I do it. So basically, I started off today with basically doing FBA shipments, and if you don't know what that is fulfilled by Amazon. So when you order a product on Amazon, and it gets shipped to you in the first like 1 to 2 days, that's usually an Amazon product. Now, if you get a shipment that's maybe a week or a week and a half later than usual, than a usual Amazon order, that's usually FBM, and I usually do FBM orders. But I want to hit that 30K mark, so I am now getting my products out to Amazon FBA so I can start ramping up and make $30,000 a month. So this is going to be a short video, but I hope you guys enjoy, because that's basically going to be the whole video. Oh my gosh, I'm done with the stickers. I may try to get these out. It's 4:52. The UPS is closes in an hour. I can't even talk, and you've been watching. It's a lot of work, just been labeling and cutting and getting all these out. So we're trying to get to 30K this month, guys, so we're not messing around. And anyone that's trying to get to 30K a month, it's possible. You can do it. I'm getting there. I'm gonna do it. And I'm hopefully you guys will all be there watching me hit that 30K mark. And I'm hoping that this is motivating you to hit your 30K mark, or whatever mark you want to hit, no matter if that's 1,000 or 2,000 a month. You know, I started at, when I hit $3,000 a month, because I thought that was it. I thought $3,000 a month, I could pay rent, I could pay food, I could be happy. Personally for me, that wasn't it. Then I hit 10, then I hit 15, and I'm at 15, around 20. So 15 to 20K. I don't know when I want to stop, but 30K is the next goal, and so we're gonna hit that. And I'm just hoping you're there, and I'm hoping I'm motivating you to get there as well. So thank you for watching. Let's pack this up, shall we? All right, so package is ready to ship out to UPS. So I'm going to take my e-bike to the UPS store really quick and then come back and get to work, because we actually we haven't even started our actual customer orders yet, and it is 5:04, so we need to get to it. So I'll see you in a second. So I got a few orders to ship out tomorrow. I had very few because I'm bringing more in right now, so I didn't get a lot of orders. But all right, so end of the video, but let's go over yesterday's revenue right now and see how much money we made. All right, so yesterday on eBay, we made $19 exactly. All right, and on Amazon, we made $406, so not bad, but not good. And so we made a total of $425 yesterday, which is pretty low for our days. So we are now at $3,728, and this is day 8, so we need to be around $8,000, which we're not there, we're about half, so let's just call 15K a month right now, but more orders are coming into the warehouse, or more items are coming into the warehouse, so actually excited. And if you just saw my little screenshot, I've already made $500 today, so it's higher than yesterday's. So I will be curious to see what tomorrow, or the end of tonight, looks like. So if you are curious as well, please subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until we hit $30,000 a month. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your Wednesday, and I'll see you all tomorrow for day 39. Peace out.